Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Cleaning Thursdays, the day we look at the tools that make tackling messes a whole lot easier. Today we're checking out the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum with self-empty station, a powerful robot vacuum designed for truly hands-free cleaning. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its 5,000 pascals suction power, much stronger than many competing robot vacuums, so it handles hair, crumbs, and dust in a single pass. It features a self-empty station that stores up to 60 days of debris in a 2.5L dust bag. That means you don't have to touch the dust bin for weeks at a time. Even better, the station includes hair detangling technology, which automatically slices through hair wrapped around the roller brush. No more pulling tangled hair out by hand. Navigation is another highlight. The L60 uses iPath LiDAR navigation for precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes, even in complex layouts. With AI Map 2.0, you can customize cleaning in the app by selecting rooms, setting no-go zones, and even mapping multiple floors. On the downside, the mopping feature is missing here. It's vacuum only. The dust bags for the station are consumables, so you'll need replacements over time. And while it's more affordable than some premium models, it's still pricier than entry-level robot vacuums without self-emptying. So, is it worth it? If you want a powerful, hands-free robot vacuum with 5,000 pascals suction, self-emptying, and automatic hair detangling, the Eufy L60 is an excellent choice. But if you also want mopping capability, you may want to look at other hybrid models. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.